Class 11, good morning. In subject mathematics today, our topic was yesterday also sets continued. Today also it is still in continuation. So I have given solved example on sets. Question number 1 is if A and B are two sets such that number of elements in A intersection B complement is 8. Number of elements in A, NA is 12 and A union B is 5. Check whether given statement is true or false. So sometimes you are asked true or false question. So solution here I have written it is false. If this statement is false, the given informations are false as N A intersection B complement is NA minus NA intersection B. Here NA intersection B complement is given 8. NA minus NA intersection B is 12 minus 5, that is 7, but it should be equal to 8. So LHS is not equal to RHS, that is why it is false. Now question number 2. A and B are two sets such that NA minus B is 14 plus X and B minus A is 3X and NA intersection B is X. Draw a Venn diagram to show it and find the value of X if number of elements in A equal to number of elements in B. So NB minus A is 3X and A intersection B is X and NB only is 3X. So you can use the theorem NA equal to NB as given. So NA minus B plus NA intersection B is NA B minus A plus NA intersection B. So putting the values 14 plus X plus X equal to 3X plus X on solving X equal to 7. Now next question third I have taken in a group of 65 people. 40 like cricket, 10 like both tennis and cricket. How many like tennis only and not cricket? So sometimes you can solve this question by Venn diagram also, as C represents set of cricket, T represents set of tennis, and C union T is 65 given, NC is 40 and NC intersection tennis is 10. To find NT only, how many play tennis only, and that is equal to NT minus C. And second part that you have to find is NT. So here NC union T is NC plus NT minus NC intersection T, the formula discussed earlier on yesterday. And now putting the value NT equal to 65 minus 30, that is 35, that is the answer of second part. Only tennis players are 35, and first part NT minus C equal to NT minus NC intersections T, and NT is 35 and NC intersection T is 10. After solving 35 minus 10 equal to 25, that is the answer of the first part. So this way sometimes you can see you can solve the questions based on practical problems on sets with the help of Venn diagram also. So I have tried to explain here these examples. Similar questions are in your book. Go through them and show it to me.